Hello, and welcome to another adventure with ScootyDub. This is part 3 of the BC road trip series. In this episode, Jason and I leave the cabin and drive to Prince Rupert. It was rainy and cloudy and perfectly picturesque. It was exactly what I was hoping for. We make a pit stop along the way to dip our toes in the Skeena River. Well, one of us dipped our toes. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Yeah, it's rushing and it looks like it's going both ways.
Yeah. I mean, like, I think you could get stuck. I'm in the Skeena River. How long? Well, unless they deserve it and believe in it.
Flip-flops on rocks. That was my first time in the Skeena River. And if you can see, but it is huge. I don't think that's a river I'd want to swim in. Cold, big, moody. We're almost in Prince Rupert.
That's good. This is all new though.
You're not gonna ring the doorbell, are you?
Hello! Whoa!